Hi, I'm Andrea Caruso. I am professor at the Bachelor in Design in Segovia, and I'm teaching Intro to Design Studio 1. The subject is an introduction to the project-based learning model and the skills needed to lead a design process from the concept, definition, production and final presentation. It is structured following the IE's liquid learning model that aims to create a collaborative, personalized and active learning experience that can be applied to the student's professional life. So the main assignments are sketching, for example. So students work individually on representing an object in a A2 paper format, highlighting the functional and aesthetic feature of the product, including things like elevation, section, exploding view, and they really have to get down to represent the smaller details. The next assignment is actually bringing all those studies into a DIY model, one-to-one scale. That means that the students, they have to basically make the product functioning as the original one. So they have to understand, apart from proportions and materiality, also the design logic behind the product they've been analyzing. Each student will make a replica of the object, this time using any available material. They have to try to avoid things, so reutilization and minimization is promoted by this exercise. Eventually, all these objects will go through a photo session, so the professor will give instruction on how to take a really good picture, which is the perfect tool to communicate what you've been working on. Eventually, they will have to express all the story behind an object and communicate and, let's say, sell it as they were the author themselves. So actually they will act as they were the author of the object and perform in the class. So this is a really good exercise to believe that you are already a designer. And in fact, we are all designers from the moment we decide to study design. At the end, by analyzing really good examples of the design story, like masterpieces, they really understand what is the good design. So at the very end, by emphasizing with the author, they understand how it is like to be a designer.